Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first post recorded on my iPhone 17. So the visuals and audios are probably not amazing. However, I really want to start recording crypto videos. I've been doing a couple other YouTube channels with gaming and the gym and stuff like that. Music too, I want to start getting those up and running as well. But I've really been loving crypto lately. It's been really exciting. Since I'm excited, I figured you guys might also be excited about it. So yeah, like and subscribe if this video resonates with you or you think it's educational in any way. And I'll be posting more stuff like this in the future. So I think it'll be really fun. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Let's start with the macro picture because crypto doesn't move in a vacuum. It's essentially created by the government, the feds, rate cuts. We'll get into that stuff later. But essentially, there's a 4-year cycle in which there's usually an uptrend and a downtrend. We'll also get into that, but it's not in a vacuum. It kind of goes with the liquidity squeezes and the overall general liquidity for the markets. There's two big reasons. First of all, the Fed, like I just mentioned before, and also AI. If you're like, Jordan, this has nothing to do with AI, you're not wrong, but you're also not right. Because there is some sort of liquidity squeeze and some sort of macroeconomics, just like I was mentioning earlier. So first, the Federal Reserve maintained a surprisingly hawkish stance. I don't know if you guys remember, Jerome Powell gave his viewpoint on whether or not we're doing rate cuts this upcoming year, and he did not sound super excited about it. However, I think he may be hiding something, and yields may have rotated very heavily into AI sectors because of this. Massive institutional funds have been used to chase this. Compounding that, we've had a flip-flopping geopolitical tensions in the Middle East causing a temporary spike in oil, and it's forcing people to invest in safer assets. This capital drain is temporary though, in my opinion. Also, nothing in this video is financial advice. Just wanted to throw that out there really quickly while we're on the subject. In my opinion, that's what's going on right now. Don't buy or sell anything I'm buying or selling. YouTube, don't sue me or whatever. But yeah, analysts from major institutions like Grayscale are also noting that mounting government debt and flat currency concerns will inevitably push capital back into decentralized stores of value, just like Bitcoin, just like altcoins and things like that. A little bit of a Bitcoin breakdown here, as you can see with this technical analysis. Let's look at this king right here, okay? Bitcoin. As of today, Bitcoin's holding relatively steady, trading right around 64,700. Despite the broader market volatility, Bitcoin dominance is honestly remaining kind of high, over 58% actually. And this tells us that investors are fleeing risky altcoins and treating Bitcoin like it's supposed to be treated, as digital gold. That's what everyone's saying. I don't really know if that's true. But yeah, let's look at this technical analysis. This daily chart, Bitcoin successfully formed a higher low after bottoming right here, out near 59,000 earlier this month. There are some key resistances. We're facing a heavy overhead resistance right now at about 65,000. It's a strong psychological level, but we have a key support around 62.5, 63,000. And that's where the bulls are really going to have to start coming in defending and buying up, because if that's not bought up soon, we don't start pushing up soon, it could lead to lower lows. I'm not saying that it will. Let's move on to altcoins. They're a little bit under fire right now. I like to look at specifically Ethereum and XRP. We could throw a little Solana in here with that as well. But if you look here, Ethereum, while Bitcoin's holding the line, the altcoin market has taken a much harder hit, just like you see here with ETH. It slipped down to around 1850, and it's been underperforming. It has had a slight leg up this quarter, but it's dropped over 25% due to short-term capital outflows. And this is just ridiculous to me. I don't know how Ethereum has fallen this far. I've been buying it. I've been DCing in the market around here and around here. I got it around 1,500 on average, which is really, really good. But it's consolidating. I think we'll be hitting the $1,900 level soon. This technical structure does look vulnerable to another leg down towards the key horizontal support here. But we're going to have to figure that part out as we go along, because I don't know the future. I'm not a wizard. You don't know the future. So we're just going to have to keep on that, keep looking at it. XRP's been stuck in a super short-term bearish trend. I don't even know if you'd say short-term. It seems a little long to me. But we've lost several key support levels in June, moving the averages, flashing a strong sell signal, and oscillators are mostly neutral. The silver thing, silver and gold, like they've been tanking as well, and that's surprisingly, weirdly enough. Like I said, even altcoins will follow that sometimes. There's still a broad market taking over these things. But good news is XRP's exchanging reserves are sitting at a 7-year low, meaning selling pressure is drying up and buying pressure may be coming here shortly. Generally, when things do this sort of wedge pattern as shown here, more of a scooping pattern, really. I don't know. I'm not a technical analyst. I'm not going to pretend like I understand those things. They generally move in this sort of pattern, and then the bottom will form, and we can kind of buy out from there. However, until the stalled Clarity Act gets a definitive Senate floor vote, XRP is likely to continue grinding sideways. Guys, the war being over in Clarity is so vital, and it really needs to happen soon. They just had another meeting. I'll update you more shortly on that. But it's been just horrible bleeding throughout the altcoin market too. I could show you a little bit of my, I probably shouldn't show you. I was a little tempted to show you what I'm holding right now, but my portfolio is horrible at the moment. But anyway, guys, to wrap this video all up, the bottom line is that this isn't a dead market. It's a macro rotation. And the smart money is quietly accumulating Bitcoin while altcoins search for a definitive floor. This is the phase of crypto that tests your conviction. How strong are we going to hold on here? But I want to hear from you guys. Are you buying Ethereum dip? Are you buying Solana? Are you selling right now? Are you feeling fearful? Are you feeling excited, hawkish, bearish, whatever you're feeling? Comment that down below, and I'll try to make sure to respond to as many of you guys as I can. If you found value in today's breakdown and today's video, then like and subscribe. Tell me down in the comments how bad of a job I'm doing as a YouTuber, because I literally am just starting right now. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe out there in the markets, and yeah, I hope that I can grind a little community of you guys. Like I said, I'm starting my music channels, like Jordan Biter Music and Jordan Biter Lifts and all that kind of stuff, gym channel and stuff. So just figured I'd grind it out, figure out what YouTube is like on here, how difficult it is to grow a channel. And yeah, guys, I appreciate you. Peace out. Have a good one.